Moscow imposed that ban on flights between Egypt and Russia following the bombing of that Metrojet Airbus A321 over the Sinai Peninsula. It was en route from Sharm el-Sheikh, the beach resort in Egypt, to St. Petersburg when it was brought out of the sky. We know that the Islamic State group claimed responsibility for that attack. A 10-person aviation security team from Russia has been in place of late at Egyptian airports, looking over security measures that are in place there, monitoring equipment which is in place. Much of it has been repaired or replaced in recent months. It now includes biometric equipment to monitor travelers and to collect data. It's reported that a new protocol from Egyptian aviation officials has been accepted by Russian officials, but concerns do remain here in Moscow about safety at Egyptian airports. In fact, the Speaker of the Upper House of Parliament here expressing concerns just the other day about those measures that are in place at Egyptian airports. Russia has said that flights will not resume between Egypt and Russia until the safety of Russian citizens can be assured. Of course, the suspension of flights between the two countries has had a huge impact on Egypt's tourism economy. It's estimated about a third, some 30% of tourists to the country are from Russia, and of course that has a really large real dollar effect. The Russian reports suggest that a delegation from this country is set to arrive in Cairo for the start of the resumption of flights, which could take place as early as Thursday. Steve Mort, CGTN, Moscow.